Studying abroad involves a comprehensive planning process, from researching potential universities to completing the admission requirements. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the study abroad journey. Pick your university. Clarify your academic and career goals before looking for universities suitable for your preferred program. Consider factors like international ranking, program reputation, faculty, facilities and location. Look for industrial tie-ups, financial aid, alumni network, internship and placement support. Admission requirements. Admission requirements vary depending on the universities and the countries you are applying for. Check the admission requirements for each university and program. It may include academic transcripts, letters of recommendation, standardized test scores, a statement of purpose, and a resume. If you're applying to a university in an English-speaking country, you may have to produce your English language proficiency test score. Expenses. Estimate the overall cost of study, including tuition fees and living expenses. Explore scholarships and educational loans. Check for universities that give financial support to international students. While choosing the country, look for work options after completing the program. Visa norms. Visa norms are different in each country. Understand the visa requirements of the country before selecting the university. Make sure you fulfill the criteria. Application process. Begin the application process by creating an account on the university's admission portal. Follow the instructions and submit all required documents by the specified deadline. That's it. You have started your study abroad journey.